In this video, I'm going to give you the complete list of GREE Inverter AC error codes and explain exactly what each one means. Is your GREE Inverter AC showing a mysterious error code and stopped cooling? Don't panic just yet. Most of these codes have a simple fix. Before we start, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to like the video. Let's start. E1 error, system high pressure protection. E2 error, indoor anti-freezing protection. E3 error, system low pressure protection या gas leakage. E4 error, compressor exhaust high temperature. E5 error, overcurrent protection. E6 error, communication error या signal wire fault. E8 error, high temperature resistance protection. EE error, EEPROM chip या main PCB board fault. Error F0, refrigerant leakage या mode protection. Error F1, indoor ambient sensor error. Error F2, indoor tube sensor error. Error F3, outdoor ambient sensor error. This sensor is located on the back of the outdoor unit. Error F4, outdoor tube sensor error. Error F5, exhaust sensor error. Error F6, overload limit frequency. Error F8, frequency drop due to overload. Error H0, high temperature resistance in heating mode. This is not an error, it is a normal defrosting cycle. Error H3, compressor overload protection. Error H4, system abnormality detected. Error H5, IPM inverter module protection. Error H6, indoor fan motor error. Error H7, compressor desynchronization. Error HC, power factor correction protection. Error L3, outdoor fan motor error. Error L9, overpower protection. Error LC, compressor startup failure. Error LD, compressor phase loss protection. Error Liye, compressor stall or mechanical jam. Error PL, DC bus low voltage protection. Error PH, DC bus high voltage protection. Error P5, phase current protection. Error P7, heatsink sensor error. Error P8, IPM module over temperature. Error U1, compressor phase current detection circuit error. Error U3, DC bus voltage drop. Error U5, complete unit current detection error. Error U7, four-way valve abnormality. Error U8, zero crossing signal error on the indoor PCB. This U9 error code indicates an outdoor DC fan motor error. You'll need to have a technician replace the motor. On this channel, we explain AC errors in simple language, one error at a time. If you're enjoying this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your support helps us make more great content.